they don't allow any visit. Then I was most of the time just by myself. Anyway, we hear all the time that in the moment of death, we see the whole story of our life passing very fast in front of you. Well, that has happened just a moment before I went to that induced coma, and the one I was for 9 weeks. The whole story of my life was in front of me. What a wonderful life. But I focused my attention in those events, in those memories, who really changed the direction of my life. I call it the encounter with the truth that I had in my life. Something that is important to understand is that we humans, we have a big conflict in our mind. A conflict that for thousands of years we used to believe that was between good and bad. Well, it's not true. Good and bad is just a consequence of the real conflict that exists in the human mind and only in the human mind. And that conflict is between the truth and the lies. There's a lot of lies that we believe. And it's only one truth. Since millenniums, we are always searching for the truth in so many different ways. And this is how science began, religion began, and many other activities of humanity begins. All that different philosophies in humanity. That conflict is in every single human. Well, this is the story of the Toltec art of life and death. A conflict in the story of Miguel Ruiz. Miguel Ruiz is the main character of that story. Then the whole story is really about Miguel Ruiz. It's how Miguel Ruiz perceived the universe, how Miguel Ruiz believed, etc., etc. It's about Miguel Ruiz. Then every secondary character in that story is just an extension of Miguel Ruiz, based in reality. Because, yes, my parents are secondary characters in my story. My brothers, my friends, everyone that I know is just a secondary character in my story. But this is how I perceive the real ones that really exist. Because the Paris that I know is only in my mind and is a reflection of the real ones. Same with my brothers, my beloved, friends, etc., etc. Then the real reality exists right there. But in our mind, it's just a reflection of that reality. We create our own reality. We create our own world. We create our own story.